Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Janelle here, MSZEMPRESSJ. Today is basically a simple curl video on locks, flawless locks using only water. A lot of people have been doing this on YouTube. Normally I add some oils and different stuff to get curls, but today I'm just using water alone, no oil, just oil on my scalp. I'm just using water on my locks alone. And if you're new, welcome. Hit that subscribe button, hit that thumbs up button as well. And if you want to see how I achieve these beautiful curls, stay tuned and let's get right into the video. So I already started doing it. I did the back already, as you can see, and then I just sectioned off the front into 4, so each one has 3 locks for me to braid. And I'm just gonna spray with water alone. There's only water alone in the bottle, so I'm gonna spray all 3 with water to make sure it's nice and damp. And then I'm just gonna braid it and secure the ends with an elastic. So I've completely finished the back and I just have the front left to do. So I'm finished. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna spray all of the braids with some water just to make sure they're completely damp, because by the morning it's gonna be dry. So that's what's gonna cause the effect for your hair to get the curls or the crimps or the, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, you know what I'm saying. So I'm done braiding everything. 2 of them I braided in 4, but the rest I braided with 3. So I'm gonna tie my head down and take it out tomorrow. So see you in the air. So I am back. It's the next day. I basically wore my hair from like, let's say 12 o'clock yesterday up until this morning. It's about 10 after 10 in the morning. So it's more than 24 hours. Almost 24 hours, I should say, sorry. So I'm just gonna take them down. I'm just gonna put some of this on my hands, so while I take down the braids, yeah, the TV in the background, you know it already, it's my girls. So just rub it, and then I start to take down. So I'm gonna take, you call this again, fingernail clip, and just cut the elastics. Not bad. It's like crimps, you know, like this one is short. Like actually cut this one because there's like a big piece of buildup here, so I just took it out. Okay, so I'm gonna take out the rest and I'll be right back. So I got 2 more. So, oh my god, hey, I love these curls. They're so voluptuous and full and, you know, beautiful. See the back. So this is how you achieve curls with just water and oil in your roots. So because I've oiled my roots before I started braiding, but I just sprayed water alone on my locks. And these curls are popping, yo. They're popping. Hey. Ooh. 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 Yeah, these curls are popping down. So yeah, you can curl your locks with just water and braid overnight, sleep on them. You could go 2 days if you want to. You might get more definition. if you go more than 24 hours with the braids. Yeah, but I'm loving these. These are popping though. Yes. So I hope you like this video. That is all for this video. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, everything, and I will see you in my next video.